Good morning from NPTI Florida. I'm Pat Sherman. Guys, today I just wanted to give you a quick day in the life of what it's like to be a student at NPTI Florida, Orlando, or Tampa. 600 hours, fully ACC, SC accredited college core education in a live classroom. Then the live classroom material is applied in a real working fashion for 218 hours. Every day we utilize 4 textbooks in the classroom. For a duration of 382 hours. There's 100 hours anatomy physiology, 100 hours nutrition, business management, CPR, first aid, program design, rehabilitation, pregnancy training. We're going to give you the tools that you need to do this for a full-time, high-income potential anywhere in the United States. The diploma is good forever, lasts forever, and never expires. This industry is a profession, guys. You cannot do this online over the weekend. A short internet program doesn't work. The majority of our students that come in here have tried that. They have internet programs. There's over 400 of them online. Come on in, do it right the first time. We will get you where you need to be. We have opportunities nationwide as well as internationally. Spend 18 weeks with us here in the vacation capital of the world, Orlando, Florida. I guarantee you, you will excel and take this to the next level. You need any help? You guys want to come on in, sit in on a class, take a free week? Let me know how I can help you. 407-772-0057. I look forward to seeing you guys. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook. Also visit www.nptiflorida.edu to apply. We take applications 1 year in advance. That's right, 12 months in advance. Give us a call today, 407-772-0057. Thanks for following NPTI Florida. I'm Pat Sherman. Just want to let you know we appreciate you guys liking us, following us, and friending us. Continue to watch our YouTube channel. We're going to try to do a really good job of giving you as much information about the fitness industry as possible this year. If you're looking to become a personal trainer, you're excited about helping other people become healthy, give us a call, 407-772-0057. That's 407-772-0057. Give us a call, come on in, tour, work out for free anytime. Thanks again.